Portugal Golden Visa offers both residency and a pathway to citizenship. But what does the timeline look like? What steps do you need to take, starting from your initial application? In this video, I'll walk you through every step of Portugal Golden Visa process, from your initial application all the way to obtaining the citizenship. Let's explore the process together. Your first step is to understand the application process, requirements, and select a qualifying investment. This stage will significantly influence your Golden Visa journey, so take your time to explore the requirements and what aligns best with your goals. Scheduling a one-on-one meeting with one of our team members will be really helpful at this stage. Next, you will need to gather the documents for your application. This mainly includes the documents for you as the main applicant to initiate the process. You will then need to prepare those for any family members applying with you. We understand this can be overwhelming with translations, notarizations, apostilles, and certifications required. However, staying organized and maintaining close contact with our team will help you to ensure everything is in order. Once you have your documents, you will need to obtain a Portuguese tax number, known as NIF number, and open a bank account in Portugal. These are essential steps before making any investment. Fortunately, this can be managed remotely with the help of a legal representative. So, you won't need to be in Portugal to get these sorted. Just a quick note in here that we collaborate with independent third-party lawyers to ensure transparency and avoid any potential conflicts of interest. So, selecting a law firm at this stage is important for coordination. With your NIF and bank account ready, it's time to finalize your investment. Let's assume you'll make a fund investment. First, you'll need to decide which fund or funds to invest in and complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process for the selected funds. KYC is essential for verifying your identity and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Once this is completed, you can make your investment and proceed with your Golden Visa application. Now that your investment is complete and your documents are prepared, you can submit your online application to AIMA, the agency responsible for immigration and borders in Portugal. Typically, your legal representative will manage this process, making sure everything is submitted correctly and on time. After reviewing your online application, AIMA will invite you to schedule a biometrics appointment in Portugal. Both you and your dependents will need to visit an AIMA office in person to provide fingerprints and finalize your application. Then you'll receive your Golden Visa residence card, which is valid for 2 years. During this period, you only need to spend 7 days per year in Portugal, which is 14 days total over 2 years. And before your card expires, you'll need to renew it by submitting updated documents. For the renewal, it's important to start the process 30 to 90 days before expiration date and avoid any gaps in your residency status. Your renewed Golden Visa cards will also be valid for another 2 years. Each renewal period requires you to spend at least 14 days in Portugal, and as long as you meet these requirements, you can continue renewing your Golden Visa. After 5 years from your initial application to AIMA, you are eligible to apply for permanent residency or citizenship in Portugal. Thanks to recent changes in the citizenship law, any waiting time for your first Golden Visa card now counts towards the 5-year citizenship period. So, even with the potential delays, you are still on track. We have now covered the entire timeline for the Portugal Golden Visa, from your initial application to citizenship. With these steps in mind, you can navigate the process more smoothly and confidently. The recent change in the law makes this journey more efficient, and our team is here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions about the process or need an advice on eligible investment options, don't hesitate to contact us. We are committed to making your path to Portuguese residency and citizenship as straightforward as possible. Contact us directly or visit our website linked in the description below.